ChatGPT isn't just for answering questions. It can be used to build real services that clients pay for, even if you've never done freelance work before. In this video, you'll learn how to turn ChatGPT into a side hustle machine using 3 reliable methods. You'll see exactly what to offer, where to find clients, how to price your services, and how to deliver great work quickly. Side Hustle 1. Blog writing is one of the most straightforward ways to get paid using ChatGPT. Businesses, content agencies, and website owners constantly need blog posts to help with marketing, SEO, and engagement. This is a type of work you can do even if you've never written professionally before. Start by learning how to write a strong prompt. When you ask ChatGPT to write a blog post, you need to be clear. Let's say a client wants a blog post about 3 ways to save time in the kitchen. You'd tell ChatGPT exactly that. For example, you could type, write a 1,000-word blog post for beginners on 3 easy ways to save time cooking at home. Make it friendly, include an introduction, and give simple examples in each section. ChatGPT will then produce a first draft that's about 70% ready. What you do next is what makes the work valuable. You review the text, look for any parts that feel too repetitive or too robotic, and rewrite those parts in a way that sounds natural. You break up long paragraphs so it's easier to read. You add small adjustments like examples that feel more realistic. You remove filler lines that don't add value. You can do this all in Google Docs. Use basic formatting like clear headers and a readable font. Once you've done one sample, save it in a folder. Label it clearly so you can find it later. This is the blog post you'll show to clients. You can make a few samples on different topics to attract different types of clients. For example, one about saving time cooking, one about small business marketing, and one about working from home. You'll use these samples to show people what they're getting when they hire you. Next, you go where clients are already looking for help. Start with Fiverr. Create a seller account, add a real photo, write a short bio that says you help people grow their business with easy-to-read blog content. Keep it short and confident. Then create a gig. You can title it something like, I will write a high-quality blog post that connects with your audience. Set a starting price. Beginners usually charge between $10 to $20 for a post around 500 to 800 words. Offer faster delivery for an extra fee. Choose a delivery time you can keep up with, like 2 or 3 days. Upload your best blog post as your sample. Make sure it's polished. This shows that even if you use AI, you know how to clean it up and make it work for real businesses. When someone orders, you ask them for details. You can message them and say, can you let me know your topic, audience, and if there's a tone you prefer? That helps you adjust the prompt. Once they reply, open ChatGPT and type a new prompt based on their info. If the client says they want a blog post about using social media to grow a local coffee shop, and they want it to sound casual and friendly, your prompt would look something like, write a 1,000-word blog post about how a local coffee shop can use social media to grow. Make the tone friendly and casual, and include 3 clear tips with examples. Once you get the draft, edit it with care. Fix awkward phrases. Replace vague ideas with clearer ones. Make sure it flows well. Add headers and format it in Google Docs. Save the file and then deliver it through the Fiverr message system with a polite message. You can say something like, here's your post. Let me know if you'd like a quick revision. Blog writing works well as a starting point because it's high in demand and low pressure. You don't need to be an expert on the topic. You just need to listen to the client, write a strong prompt, edit carefully, and deliver on time. Once you complete a few jobs, you'll have reviews that help attract more clients. At that point, you can raise your price or add extra services like SEO keywords or featured images. Side Hustle 2. The second method is YouTube script writing. Many creators know how to film and edit, but they struggle with planning or writing what to say. This is where you can help. ChatGPT is very good at writing simple, structured video scripts. Start by writing your own sample. Open ChatGPT and enter a prompt like, write a 5-minute YouTube video script on how to save money on groceries. Make the tone friendly and easy to follow. Include a short intro, 3 tips, and a conclusion with a call to action. You'll get a script in seconds. Take that draft and read it out loud. If it sounds too formal, change it. If any part feels off, fix it. A good YouTube script needs to feel like natural speech, not a textbook. Add transitions like, first up, or let's move to the next tip. These help the speaker sound clear. Then paste it into Google Docs and format it cleanly. Save the script as your sample and create a Fiverr gig. Use a title like, I will write a YouTube video script that sounds natural and keeps viewers engaged. Set your price higher than blogs because script writing takes more effort. Start with around $25 for a 5-minute script. Upload your sample and write a short description explaining how your scripts are ready for voiceover, and save creators time. When someone contacts you, ask for the topic, the target audience, and the tone they want. You can use that to build your prompt. For example, if the client says they want a 7-minute video on starting a small garden and they want it to sound calm and helpful, you'd type, write a 7-minute YouTube script about starting a small garden for beginners. Use a calm, helpful tone. Include an intro, 5 simple tips, and a closing line. Once you get the draft, edit it like before. Make sure it reads like spoken language. Avoid long or complex words. Add simple transitions. You might also want to add markers like intro, tip 1, or closing to help your client follow the script better. When you deliver, include a message like, here's your script. Let me know if anything needs adjusting. If they ask for changes, use ChatGPT to help with revisions, but always review the final version yourself. YouTube script writing pays more and can lead to regular work. Many creators need weekly help. If they like your work, they'll keep coming back. You can also offer longer scripts or batch packages later on. Side hustle 3. Email marketing is a powerful tool that many small business owners don't have time to manage. You can use ChatGPT to create short email sequences for them. These might be welcome emails, product announcements, or seasonal messages. Start by creating a welcome sequence for a fictional business. For example, a bakery. Open ChatGPT and type, write a 3-part welcome email sequence for a bakery that just launched. Email 1 should welcome the subscriber. Email 2 should share the bakery's story. Email 3 should offer a discount. Use a friendly tone and include subject lines. Review what ChatGPT gives you. Break long lines into shorter ones for easy reading. Add space between sections. Make sure each email has a clear point. Add a short call to action, like visit us today, or try our first batch for 10% off. Save the sequence and use it as your sample. Create a new Fiverr gig. You can title it something like, I will write a strong welcome email series for your small business. Set your price at $25 for 3 emails. Upload your sample and describe your service clearly. When a client reaches out, ask what kind of business they have, what tone they like, and what their goal is. That helps you create better prompts. For example, if they run a coffee subscription and want to convert free users into buyers, type, write a 3-part email sequence for a coffee subscription business. Email 1 welcomes them. Email 2 explains how the subscription works. Email 3 offers a discount on the first purchase. Keep it warm and persuasive. You get your draft, then edit each email with care. Make sure the subject lines are short and clear. Check that the emails feel personal and easy to scan. Avoid long blocks of text. Keep each email focused on one message. When you're delivering the sequence to your clients, use Google Docs again. Label each email clearly. Deliver with a polite message and ask if they need a quick revision. Once the client is happy, thank them and ask if they need future campaigns written. Email writing leads to repeat business. A client might need new campaigns every month. You can also offer upsells like writing newsletters or seasonal promotions. And because the emails are short, you can do multiple projects per week. Once you've delivered work in all 3 categories, you'll see which one you like most and which one earns the best. You can focus on that or continue offering all 3. There are some extra tools you can use too. PromptBase lets you sell the prompts you've created. Once you've made prompts for blogs, scripts, and emails, you can list them on PromptBase with a short description and price. Every time someone buys one, you earn money passively. Upwork is another place to find clients. Unlike Fiverr, you apply to jobs, create a strong profile, upload your samples, and start sending simple proposals to clients. Look for jobs that match your skills and mention your speed and clarity. As you gain experience, raise your rates slowly. Add better samples and update your gig descriptions to match. Always respond to clients politely and quickly. Keep your delivery times realistic. Don't promise one day if you're busy. Consistency matters more than speed. Each project teaches you how to prompt better, edit faster, and understand client needs. Over time, you can do more work in less time while charging higher rates. Which of these methods are you thinking of starting with? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.